Everybody, I am back with Chef Tony from Rationale. How are you?
Doing well. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Tell me everything there is to know about Rationale and what you're doing here.
The best way to explain it is we sell cooking equipment, right? And what we do is we control the climate so we can go from really low temperatures with high moisture all the way up to super dry, high temperatures. And basically by adapting those climates, we're able to fry. I'm about to be grilling some steak.
Oh, wow.
I was steaming this morning, so you can really do all these different,
All in the same machine?
all in this machine.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Now, mine at home, when I open it up, there's a lot of smoke that comes from in there. I think it might be because it's burnt or something stuck. What happens with these machines? How hot can this get?
Oh, 572, I think is our highest temp. And then here, being in this environment, right, we have this ultra vent. So this makes up for situations like that.
Yes.
If you're maybe constantly burning things in the kitchen, that makes it fire marshal approved that it can go in what we call a ductless kitchen. So it still has a hood, but it's a built-in hood.
Yeah, I think I just need the hood. That's great. What's your favorite thing to make in a Rationale iCombi Pro?
I'm really just trying new stuff all the time. Like I just did some dehydrated pineapples with a little habanero tahini. I have a short-rib grilled cheese. So I'm kind of at the point, being new to the company, that I'm just trying different stuff all the time.
Right.
I don't have a favorite yet.
The possibilities are endless, it sounds like.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Chef Tony.
Of course.
Hope you have a great rest of your day here.
Yeah, enjoy. It was really nice talking.
Yes, very nice meeting you as well
Thank
and
you.
talking to you. We'll be back with more.